Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you my new headlights for my Mk7 Gti. I got these off eBay, and these are a Helix style headlight. I'm not sure whether they are actual Helix or not, but got them off eBay for about 400 bucks shipped. All the other headlights were sold out, so I kind of took a chance on these, and I'll show you a little bit of how I installed it and kind of give you a review. I got my new headlights here. Came in 2 boxes, double packaged. And then inside of the bag, silica gel is in there. And there's a lens protector. I'm gonna put this back on while I install. But so far, they come with the bulbs. Those don't look, they come with the bulbs. Those don't look very good quality. But we'll see how they do for now. But I mean, overall, it looks pretty good. I'm not sure what's going on up here. Looks like some sealer. Sealer here. Got all these screws tightened back down, and there's a one right there on the side. Pull these off and see how they look. Dude, these are sick. That detail is really good in there. It matches the grill pattern. There's a couple of like marks right there. Those are just handprints, fingerprints. You can see there's like little fingerprints. But they look pretty good. Let's try the turn signals. Sequential turn signal. Sequential turn signal. The camera kind of makes that whole lens look foggy, but in real life, that's like a dark black in this area, like a deep black, and these LED lights stick out. I'll maybe try to take a picture and see if it comes through better. So I'm gonna run through the options you have right here on the headlight switch dial. You can see they're just on right now. They look a lot more white in real life. For some reason it looks like yellowy. In real life it's super white, it's as white as the wall. So if you turn it over once on auto, it activates your low beams and the daytime running LEDs. Right now, I still have the halogens I swapped over from my old lights, so it's gonna be yellow. It is what it is. And then you go to this mode. Then it goes back to just pure LEDs. This mode is very bright. And then you have this mode, the last mode. And then here's how, if you put it on auto, if you turn the fog lights on too. So, hope that helps. Look pretty good. I transferred over the low beam, which is this guy in the projector, from the old headlights. It just transferred over super easily. But so far so good. And here's the hazards.
I can only give so much. Fuck you, you get them all. I want you to worst thing I ever did was become famous. I'll take it back in a moment. Frequencies get low.